This is an unboxing of the Tetra air pump Model 20. I looked on YouTube and there weren't couldn't find anyone specifically for the video on this particular model. There were a number on the larger ones. So I thought I would do an unboxing and, most importantly, a noise test on this particular model, which is designed for up to 20-gallon aquariums. So let's open it up. See what we have here. All right. An air, looks like an air venturi thing. Some instructions. Yeah, instructions about how to set it up. Pretty straightforward, I think. And the limited 2-year warranty. So that's it for the box. And so this is the pump. Looks pretty straightforward. I got an air filter there, the one outlet here. Sits on the desk like that. Alright, so let's plug it in and see how quiet it is. Alright, here you see the 25-gallon tank that I have. I think it's a 20 high, or might be a 25-gallon, I'm not sure which. I've had it a long time. And I'm going to put the air pump on right next to it. And in the back here, I have an air stone. And I have here the air hose. So I'm going to attach it to the pump. Alright, there we go. Oops. It's a little hard to get the hose on the pump. Let's see how that does. And I'm going to plug it in now. Alright. So let me take the camera out here. Oh, it's got nice airflow. It's pumping a lot of air through the air stone. And here's the pump itself. So I'm going to be quiet and you can listen to how noisy it is. Alright, so I wouldn't say it's absolutely silent. But compared to other pumps I've had experience with, it's pretty quiet. So let's try a little muffling here. I'm going to put, that's not quite big enough, so let's try it with a cloth. Well, at least half the sound actually is the air bubbles coming out of the air stone. Interesting. Alright, so there you have it. It's pretty quiet, but not completely quiet.